How's my future millionaires? I hope you had a great weekend. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, my name, of course, is Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, be sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell, and come over, join us on the Discord if you really want to be able to bounce ideas off of me, ask me questions, talk to the community. Join the Discord, first link in the description below this video. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. What's going on this week? Well, we're still right in the middle of that resistance and support level. Last 2 weeks has been kind of slow. We're not getting no clear direction. Everybody's saying the market's running up. And then you got a few people out there like me that believes this market's coming down, but we can't get a direction either way. We won't break up above our support levels or resistance levels, and we won't break under our support levels. We just keep trading right in the middle of this trend. So what's going to happen this week? I don't have a crystal ball, but we're going to keep watching those same levels. As I've told you before, one of the most important keys to being a good investor is being patient. Sometimes we just got to wait it out. We're going to be looking for opportunities, see if we can get in on a few little plays, but I'm not going in heavy on anything till I get a direction in the break of this market. Let's go ahead and talk about where we're at. We're pretty much flat in the pre-market. We're up 0.01%. Mixture of red and green on my watch list. Now, I do want to point out that we've got Bitcoin. We've broke over the weekend. We broke under that 28,000, which I said was a level I was looking for Bitcoin to come under. I said once we come under 28, we were very likely going to at least 26, if not a full retest of that 25,000. Now, could 25,000 hold? That's possible. Could we stay in the $25,000 to $30,000 range for this accumulation phase? Very possible. I know a lot of people out there is calling for that. I've personally been calling for Bitcoin to fall all the way back down near the $20,000 level. But we've got to get through that 25 to see if that's going to happen. I'm going to be kind of waiting that out to see if we get a little bit of a pump once we get down there around that 25, 26,000. If that happens, then we could be in that accumulation phase. We could be right in there. However, right now, like I said, I believe that the economy's got a lot of kind of growing pains to go through over the next few months, and I do believe that we're going to end up seeing Bitcoin down closer to that 20,000. Now, as the bottom end, absolutely, I don't really look for us to break. If we broke below 20,000, it would just be barely, and I would expect it to come back pretty quick. We're not going to see $15,000, $14,000, $12,000 Bitcoin like some people was calling. I do believe the bottom's in. I don't believe there's any way it goes down that low. But to see it retrace, I can absolutely see that. Which is why over this whole time when everybody's talking about, oh, Bitcoin, it's going to $40,000, you need to get in on it, I'm like, I'm going to wait. I've been calling for it to get up to 30. Said it could get as high as maybe 32, but then I was expecting it to retrace, and at least so far it's doing just that. We got up above 30. Now we've retraced down. We'd been holding that 28. I said I was expecting it to break, and now we've broken that. Sitting at 27,439 currently. Down about 0.5% on the day. Sorry, I still don't have my voice all the way back, but we're going to have a good week. We're going to be patient. We're going to watch for some plays. We're going to see what this market gives us. If we really start to retrace down, then I'm going to be looking at more puts on the TQQQ or calls on the SQQQ. Now, long term, I've told you, if the market rallies, if we have a good day in the market runs up, 0.75%, I'm going to be picking up puts on the TQQQ. Long term, buying these out to at least September and really setting myself up. I'm setting those aside, and I'm just going to wait and let those mature, because I do believe over the summer even if we get another leg up in the market from where we're at, over the summer this market's going to retrace and those puts are going to print for me and be very nice. At least that's my belief. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I trade my money, I do what's best for me, and I try to come on here and give you the stocks and picks that I believe are the safest. I lose money every once in a while, but I try to keep that to a very, very minimal. Overall, I'm just going to be watching the market. I don't have anything that I'm really calling out today. I'm going to watch the market, see how we open up, and just kind of feel it out. Like I've always told you, build yourself a watch list and then just pay attention to it. Get used to watching it every day. If something that shouldn't be going down is going down, that's something you need to look into. If something's going up that you don't understand why it should be going up, that's something to look into, because maybe there's a chance to ride that on up or to be able to go ahead and short that and make money on that way down, because that is one of the most important things. I want everyone out there learning how to make money both going up and coming down. 99% of all investors only know how to make money going up, which is why they're so limited in the amount of gains that they can get in a year's time. If you can make money going both ways, you can increase that velocity of money, and the velocity of money is what allows me and other people like me to not make 8 or 10% in the market, but to make 100, 200% in the market in a single year. If you want to learn more about that, make sure you're following along with the channel. Join us over at the Investors Jumpstart program. You won't be disappointed. That's what I got for you. Until next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.